Hello and welcome back to Knowledgehook. So in today's video, we're going to explore the math a little bit more here in Knowledgehook, but we're also going to go ahead and check out one of the games. We're going to check out the game first. Let's go ahead and, so we have the main, we have solve, which is going to bring us to this. So we have 2 more stars that we need for the silver badge. We'll probably go ahead and try to get the silver badge here in this grouping today, which would be getting number 9 done. And so the skill challenges, it's very clear what needs to happen and what can progress. And then I also really like that there's an I can letting the student know all of the stuff that they can do with the skills that they've already learned. That's quite empowering. All right, let's go to launch here. And so this is the play, the gear, and then the questions. I don't have any missions loaded. Once I create an account, I'll be able to create missions in order to help out my little gearbox. But let's swing it over to play. We're going to check out Zone Rush. Now, Zone Rush is level locked for 3rd grade and above, which is why I didn't have access to it. But you were able to switch it in the parental controls. So let's swing on over here to Zone Rush. And we're going to go ahead and start this out. This is a pretty fun, let's go ahead and click play. And this is the co-op mode. So we're going to be with some other people. We need to go ahead and take over these 2 red cones. I'm going to get this cone down here as well. And then we'll go ahead and get started. All right, so as far as the Q, the W, the E, and the R, I don't really fully know what is going on with these. Let me go ahead and try to press the Q, and that looks like that levels me up. And then W is kind of like a range. All right, so let's come on over here. We do have some ants over this way. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and finish these guys off. There we go. And awesome. So this is all ours right now. So we can come on up over here. I'll go ahead and get this to try to finish off this guy right here. And let's go ahead and start to attack. All right. So I actually need to go ahead and it looks like we had something happen there. I need to go ahead and level up here. So I'm going to come on up this way. Get this. And then I'll leave that battle for right now. And I'll come back over here. And then I'll try to hold on to this. All right, so we got some of those ants completed. And then we're going to make our way up. This is quite a fun game mode. Oh, no, they got this. Well, we can't let that happen, can we? There we go. All right, our ants are good over here. We have this area, but we have some ants coming too. So I'm going to come on down this way. I'm going to take care of the ants here. My R spell is almost ready, which should do a pretty good job of taking out most of those guys. There we go. All right, so this one is pretty safe. So I think what I'll do is I'll try to come on up here. Do my E spell. All right, those guys are gone. We'll come on up over here. Make our way over this way. Oh man, we got it. All right. Almost down. Looks like we're gonna get that guy. Nice job. All right. And so we're making our ways up. As far as the controls, I don't really have the controls down too much here. But Let me see if I can just run over here, grab this, kill this guy. Awesome, I got it. Oh, he got it. All right, they got me. So we are at 91. We need to get to 100 points in order to win this. Let's go ahead and see. We're at 95 right now. So we're just about there. 96 points. So we're doing a good enough job of controlling that we are going to go ahead and finish this up. And there we go. So we get 50 of these coils, which we're going to go ahead and we're not going to play again. We're going to go ahead and exit out of here, and we're going to visit the gear to see gear costs. So we need 1,600 to make the classic pig treads, which would look like this with these bumps right here. The classic sheep platform, that is pretty funny. And then the curly cork, which is going to be for the pigs. And here we have the classic horse helmet. So these are the items that are available right now that we can go ahead and make. The horse helmet is 80 of the shiny things of that right there. And then these are all 1,600 for the various parts. So we'll have to play a fair amount in order to go ahead and get some gear for our pet. And then we can also go ahead and start swinging into missions. So the small mission top reward is going to be +5 gold, and then 1 large mission top reward is 14 gold, and then 1 of the special currencies, it looks like. And so I'll go ahead and try to maybe focus on missions next to see what we can get as far as that. This is a really cool game. A lot of awesome content in here. And then let's go ahead and answer this. One of the things that I really like about this is that it interacts like a there we go. Let's submit it. It interacts like a digital math book. And I think that's really cool. Okay, so we're going to be labeling the 8 and the 18 numerically, and then also the words. There we go. And let's continue with one more here. So this is going to be 7. This is going to be 20. That's going to be 17. And all right, so let's click done here. And then we're going to do one more. All right, so it tells you the skill that you're going to be going over. So I can group numbers 11 to 19 as 10s and 1s and 20 as 2 10s. And so that's what we're going to be doing. So this is going to be, this is going to be 10 and 2. Oh, 10 and 2. There we go. And then 10 and 2 for there. Let's submit it. Awesome. Let's continue. And then this is going to be 16. 16 is 1 10 and 6 1s. There we go. And let's go for one more here. 10 plus 9 is going to equal 19 ears of corn. Woohoo. So we are done. We've finished that. There are a couple more left that we need in this strand, and we're going to go ahead and finish that up. And so we were able to get that. So the 33 Mathalon, it says you're already entered in the Mathalon challenge. See how high you can get. So goal number 1 is earn 125 stars to get onto the achievers list. Goal number 2 is full Mathalon, earn 250 stars to complete the full Mathalon. And so we're working our way through here, trying to get these going. Maybe next week we might be close to goal number 1. We'll have to see. And then there is also the question league here, which we're going to be moving excuse me, up to the next rank, 100 question points to the next rank, which we are in the Jet League, so we'll be moving up to the Citrine League quite soon. So be sure to check out this game. Knowledgehook is quite fun, very enjoyable, and let's go to our launch page. And yeah, it's a blast to do. So hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you back here really soon. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.